Hey guys, this is Zora Edits, and today we're creating an awesome smooth zoom effect in Alight motion. Let's get into it. Okay, so open Alight motion first. And also get your clips ready. Select your clip, go to Effects, search Transform Effect. On your left side, you can see keyframes. Tap the plus button and add 2 keyframes. And make sure your pivot is on the right place, like this. Once again, go to Effect, Transform and Zoom in. And now make a smooth graph. Now copy this curve because it's going to be very useful. Now go to Effects, copy the transform. And again, make sure your pivot is on the right place, like this. Go ahead and paste the effect you copied earlier. Now again, go to Effects, search Motion Blur, apply it and increase the intensity. Do the same thing with your all clips and you are done. Thank you for watching. And this is my first long form video. If you want any other tutorial, just let me know in the comments, and if I did any mistakes, comment box is for you.